today's video, I'm going to show you how to release a phone number in Twilio. This is useful when you no longer need a number or want to reduce unwanted charges. And while you're hit that like button if this is helping. It really supports the channel. First, log into your Twilio console with the correct account where the number exists. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the section called Phone Numbers on the left side. Then choose Manage and open Active Numbers. This is where you'll see every Twilio number currently linked to your account. Find the number you want to remove. Double check you're selecting the right one, especially if you work with several numbers. Twilio shows details like country and capabilities, so use that to confirm. Click the number to open its settings page. You'll see an option to release this number. Select it and Twilio will ask you to confirm by typing the word release. This step prevents accidental removal, so enter the text carefully and continue. Once confirmed, Twilio will remove the number and you'll get a success notification. If you return to your active numbers list, you'll no longer see it there. Just keep in mind, once a number is released, it goes back into Twilio's number pool and can be purchased by someone else in the future. So only release it if you're completely sure you won't need it again. And that's all it takes. Quick, simple, and great for keeping your account organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Twilio tips and guides.